Sick of buffering and trash Wi-Fi? Fix it fast with Waveform MIMO Antenna Kit. No tech degree needed. Are you tired of playing tech whack-a-mole just to get through a Zoom call? Does your hotspot feel more like a hot mess? Maybe your Netflix has become a slideshow or your online games are stuck in lag hell. You reboot, relocate, rage quit, but nothing works. Welcome to the painful reality of weak signal zones, overpriced unlimited data plans that throttle you into prehistoric speeds, and routers that seem allergic to consistent connectivity. It's not you, it's your gear. And trying to power through with weak internal antennas is like trying to vacuum a football field with a straw. The more we rely on online everything, the more crushing bad signal becomes. It's not just annoying, it wrecks your vibe, your deadlines, your career momentum. Maybe you're a remote worker constantly muttering, "Can you hear me now?" or a gamer watching your killstreak die because of high ping. Maybe you've missed out on job interviews, big sales calls, or the end of a binge-worthy show because your internet died at the worst moment. Stress mounts. Time ticks. You're wasting hours on what should be a 5-minute task. Your connection isn't just slow, it's sabotaging you. Enter the Waveform 2x2 MIMO Panel Antenna Kit. This is not some overpriced piece of junk wrapped in tech jargon. This is your internet's superhero cape. Dual cross-polarized antennas beam in sweet, stable LTE or 5G signals that your internal gear could never dream of. With a killer combo of RS-240 cables and universal adapters, TS9, UFL, SMA, it plugs into just about any modern router, modem, or hotspot. No extra shopping cart detours. No guesswork. Just plug, mount, and go full turbo. Waveform didn't just build an antenna, they built relief. The benefits? Wild. You'll notice faster speeds, lower latency, stable streaming, and zero rage-inducing drops. This bad boy works across 600 to 2700 MHz, giving you up to 9 dB gain for major signal power. Setup? Easy. We even throw in lifetime support. Yes, actual humans, not some AI chatbot with attitude. Whether you're stuck in a signal black hole or just looking to level up your speed, this is your fix. Ready to stop cursing your Wi-Fi and start cruising? Hit that link in the description and see why thousands have already made the switch. But don't sleep on it, seriously. Our kits fly off shelves, especially when the word spreads, and trust us, it is. Act fast and get ahead of the buffering crowd. Thousands have already upgraded their hotspots, routers, and sanity. You want peace of mind? This is it. No tech background required. No risky installs. And if you don't love it, Waveform's got your back with lifetime support. So stop suffering, start streaming, and join the signal revolution. Click now. Don't buffer through life, boost it.